Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.28. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who heeded our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 34.21% since we initially identified SOXL as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.98% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 131.27% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 131.27% and 161.15%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 43.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 95.39% to negative 39.94% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.18 and $15.39. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price down 0.621% on Thursday. The SOXL ETF price fell by negative 0.621% on the last day, Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, dropping from $25.78 to $25.62. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.37%, reaching a low of $24.95 and a high of $25.79. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, down by negative 6.39% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should typically follow the ETF's trend. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 25 million shares, with a total of 77 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.97 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $45, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 43.07%, or $19.38, below the 52-week high, and 93.23%, or $352.62, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments surrounding the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x shares, or SOXL, indicate a significant shift in market sentiment towards the semiconductor sector. The passage of One Big Beautiful Bill last week has reignited investor interest in semiconductor stocks, suggesting a further influx of capital into this space. Such legislative support is likely to bolster stock prices in the short term as traders position themselves optimally. The recent launch of Grok 4 is another catalyst as it signals an upcoming wave of demand for semiconductors driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. For short-term investors, SOXL presents a tactical opportunity, albeit with inherent volatility risks. Its high leverage could lead to quick price movements, which can amplify gains or losses depending on market conditions. Additionally, positive sentiment driven by NVIDIA's recovery in data center demand adds further credence to the bullish outlook for semiconductors. With buy signals clustering around key price levels, including a $25 buy zone, SOXL's recent performance patterns suggest strong potential for upside momentum in the near term. However, while SOXL may thrive in the short run, its long-term viability as an investment should be approached with caution. Leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL are not suitable for long-term holding due to their volatility and compounding risks. As the semiconductor market adapts and evolves, keeping an eye on regulatory developments and technological advancements will be crucial for investors looking to navigate this high-stakes sector. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $26.70. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $24.14. A movement above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21, 2025, and thus far, the ETF has declined by 6.84%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 150 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 53 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $25.11. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by 84 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 3.37%. In the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 4.69%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $26.37. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.06, reflecting a decline of 6.10%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals combined with a generally positive trend indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 25th, we expect SOXL to open lower by approximately 16.7 cents and begin trading at $25.45. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Decisions regarding investments should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.